4 common fall fishing mistakes and how to fix them before winter. Hey everyone, it's Sam Lee again. Late fall is here. The air is cooler but not freezing. You'd think it's prime fishing time as fish are bulking up before winter. But many catch little. Today, we'll break down 4 common late fall fishing mistakes. Mistake 1. Only fishing near weeds. Many anglers went straight for the weeds. While fish do like cover, don't ignore open water. At this time, fish are still moving as the temperature isn't too low. Target areas with underwater structure or depth changes like shallow edges near deep water, narrow channels opening into wide sections, and the transition between shallow and deep. Mistake 2. Skipping the noon bite. The saying you can't catch fish at noon is true in midsummer, but not in late fall. The water is cooler, oxygen is fine, and fish are still feeding. Midday can be great for catching big fish, so don't pack up when the sun's high. Mistake 3. Copying other people's float setup. Just because someone nearby is catching fish, doesn't mean their setup will work for you. Every lake, current, and fish population is different. Adjust your setup according to the conditions, like using a higher float setting in calm water with active fishing or bottom fishing without a float in other situations. Mistake 4. Using hooks and lines that are too big. As the water cools, fish are more cautious and their mouths don't open as wide. Big hooks and thick lines might scare them off. Downsize your rigs with smaller hooks and thinner lines for better results. Wrap up. Avoid these 4 mistakes and your catch rate will increase. Late fall is the last good fishing window before winter, so make the most of it. Alright, now I'm curious, which of these mistakes have you made recently? Drop your stories or your own late fall tips in the comments below. And hey, if this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on that bell so you don't miss the next fishing video. Tight lines, everyone, and stay warm out there.